Welcome back to the channel, Pyros. Today we're gonna look at my little small collectible stash. It ain't that big, and some of it's not even old. It's just a collection of stuff I don't plan to shoot. So I guess we'll do this box second. We'll do this box first. Some of it's vintage, some of it's hard to get. Some of it, for whatever reason, I just stashed it. Here's a little overview. So we'll go ahead and just get into it. I actually have a few of these. These are the Sky Cruisers. I don't know how those got in here. Won't be stashing those. These are the last 2 packs that I had out of a big haul. I ended up getting a bunch of these in the early 2000s, late 90s, and these are the last 2 packs from that run. And I don't plan to shoot those. They're pretty good. Got some black roosters. I actually have a few more to add to this, and another label. These are really good. Black roosters. 1998. These are really good. I thought I had a whole nother brick on stash, and I ended up, nope, these were the last 4 packs. I actually do have one more, so I got 5 packs. I used to get these from Sheltons, and this exact same pack used to have horse brand on it. Both are good, but these are really good jumping jacks or plum blossoms. Great report at the end. Kind of sucks I don't have that break. Another Sky Cruiser. Oh shit, I've been looking for these. They're not real. I mean, they do go boom, but they're not real M80s. I stashed a few of these, but actually I may end up shooting these now that I'm finding better ones to compare with. And that's the Black Buzz Killers. I actually picked these up at a gas station in Florida. I forget which shell this was. I may have added this one. I can't remember. If I added it, it's a blast from the past. If it was given to me, I can't remember. Like this one, I forgot the story behind this one. True eggshell. Here we go. DOT Thunder Bombs. Horse brand. These aren't DOT, but these are actually pretty good. USA brand. I only have 1 pack of those. A couple older Black Cats. Not old like vintage, but before they started putting that QVC or whatever number on them. One pack of Muskies, not DOT. I saved these for some stupid ass reason, but these are actually pretty good from Sheltons. El Diablo. Now it's called Black Avenger, but before it was called El Diablo. That's why I saved them, and they were pretty damn good. Vikings. These are the Vikings that have the pattern, but probably not anything special. Well, these definitely aren't special. 2 packs each. I just decided to throw these in. Who knows, in 10 years, you may not ever be able to find shit like that. Got a short pack of woodpeckers. And I got to see some of these go off. They were really good. Each cracker has its own woodpecker on it. I have that demo up. I don't think these are old or anything, but well, they're not old. But they're only packs I had, so figured fuck it, I'll keep them. Red Lantern Boomers, Ladyfingers. That's all those. To go with them, I got a few packs of Tiger brand DOT. A couple more Sky Cruisers. I don't know why I saved these, but fuck it. These have actually been held on to since probably 2003, 2004. I bought like 20 of these, so I'd have little firecrackers through the year, and this is the only box that made it unopened too. I'm gonna stash a box of those. Actually, looks like we're gonna stash 2 boxes of those. That's those. This was pretty good. If you find these, grab them. They're pretty good. The reports on these are pretty good. I'm just gonna stash one. Not old. You see, it's got the QSV. Just gonna stash one for the hell of it. Got one of these on stash. Temple of Heaven. Got 2 demos of those. They're pretty good. This I know is one out of the old Blast from the Past. A couple of these because I can't ever really find them. I used to turn these into little firecrackers, but now all the ones I can find are the red ones. Got one of these to throw in there. Two old Excals. Nice. I do not plan on shooting those. Pretty much this whole box is not getting shot. We got one of these. And these are really damn good color single shots. I think I do have one on the page. There we go. Nice. Just put a demo of those up. Flowers Hidden Treasure. I saved these. I got 2 boxes. I got a 72 and a 36. But this is the old ones. I don't have one out or I'd show it. But this is the one where the fuse comes out the center, not off the sides. And it's got 2 black caps on the end instead of any kind of plaster or clay. These are pretty good. These are also from the early 2000s. Another item I bought a lot of, play with through the year and shit, and just wound up with 2 boxes. There you go. Warhead launcher, Old Phantom. There's your launch base. Getting to the end of this box. I think there's one in there. 1 inch. That's older. I think there's one in there. Field artillery. It actually has it on the box. And I've got 2 of these on the page, and there's one in here. Our tribute to America. Very good ball shells. And the last 2 things in the box. We've got a Mama Dare cake. And I actually have 2 of these on my page. And each brick I think is 3. So the 14 would be divided by, or multiplied by 3. Pretty good, especially when you speed them up. And these are just basically single shots of that cake. Oh, that one ain't open. Shit. Let me find the other box. They're just single shots, but they actually fit in one another. So when you're lighting this one, you're not holding it. and there's 3 breaks in each one. So these are actually pretty cool. They're decent. I got a demo up, and I have a box that's I've been shooting out of. Let's see. Some of that odd shit you just don't see. So that's that box. Surprisingly got it all back in there. I just gotta rearrange the crackers. Box 1. Box number 2. Like I said in the stash video, this is going in the collection. I don't have very many bricks. I do have a Pyro Demon brick that is not in here. I do need to add that. 50 ducks. Got them ducks. There's 2 of the 50s on the stash. There's the 100. Don't plan to shoot those. I got shit, another 10, 15 of the 50s to play with. Horse brand. More of them. You can see it's the stars. These aren't old. The red ones. I just threw a pack in there. It's actually those. Yep, alligators. I don't know, since it's got UN 3306 or 336. And duck class C, I don't know, if these are old or not, but they're not getting shot, so it don't matter. The last damn pack of these I had. These would be from the early 2000s, I think. I had at least 5 or 6 bricks. I'm gonna stash a box of those. And I think these are, yeah, 336. I didn't think they were old. Little mixed bag. That's, again, that's the modern ones. And we got a pack of Wise Guys. Got a little sack of penny packs. Those are Duck brand. And some more. These actually, I think it said Safe and Sane, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna stash one of these. Got a demo up. It's pretty good. The bomb. And I'm gonna stash this one. I also have a demo up. This one has the string at the top and the fuse at the bottom. The new ones, fuse comes out the center and there is no string. I have one to put on the page. This one is already on the page. It's really good. Both those head bombs are nice. These are the pattern shells from Black Cat. I'm gonna stash the rest of these, but I may shoot 1 or 2 of the smiling faces to see if we can't get one on recorded. I'm gonna stash a pack of those. Stash a pack of these. Stash a pack of these. And I gotta get those off. Red Lantern brand. I'm gonna stash these. It's because I don't see a lot of Wise Guy shit. And actually, where I got them from, he said these were basically the Silver Fox from Black Cat, which they don't make anymore. So, these are just modern. I'm just going to throw them in there. I got a whole stack of these. I haven't bagged them up. I've got to peel the labels off. I'll get them for free at one of the places. I'm going to throw 2 of these in there. A pack of these. These are really, really good bottle rockets. We'll do a pack of those and a pack of those. And I actually found these in a retail store. And these are the ones with reports. Now I wish I had dug through that pile, because most of them were the new ones. I wish I had dug through that damn pile, because I bet there would have been another one. I don't plan on shooting this one. And then let's see here. Yep, stashing that. That's not getting shot. Ah, here we go. I tend to keep one of everything I get. And one day when this bag is so full it can't even close, that's when I'll take them somewhere and do an extra long demo. Got one packet of Monicas. They really blow. Extra large load. There's actually a bunch of these out now. Gun Salesman of the Year. Only got one pack of those. I got a bunch of these. I was giving these away as gifts to friends. That's the ones I got left. But yeah, I've seen Nancy Pelosi crackers and a couple other different ones recently. And then, shit, really we're down to the last two things. We got, bam. Now I wasn't gonna save it, but the stick is broke. With that being a Girandola, I don't feel comfortable lighting that. So that's getting stashed, but I do have another one for the channel. Bam, mothership. I actually picked up two of these. One is on the channel, and this one I don't plan to shoot. There's several wraps of this one. I think one is the Orbitron, I think, from Grand Patriot, which is basically the same cake. These are mines. And then this takes off, and it's got a decent break at the top. Surprisingly, the one I lit did not fail. Here's another little quick rundown of a lot of the crackers. That's basically all the... I just started really collecting last year. It never made sense to me to collect stuff before. And now that I've gotten deeper and deeper into the hobby / lifestyle, now it's like, shit, I gotta start a collection too. Yeah, we're gonna pull these out. We're trying to find those. Whoops. So nice little mini vintage collection. Well, not vintage again. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's just collectibles. So I appreciate you watching. I am working on a new collection, but unfortunately it's all new stuff. So every loud version I come across, I'm stashing at least one. In a couple years, I already have like 2 500-gram boxes completely full of 200 grams. It's a fucking addiction for real. Anyway, so yeah, you'll see that one in a few years. It's one of everything that's out now or was out in the last 2 or 3 years. Appreciate you viewing. I gotta get all this stuff over to the spot. I was boxing shit up today and figured I'd go ahead and grab this video. This is actually the 3rd time I've made this video. So, appreciate the view, Pyros. Have a great day. I was packing up the boxes and realized I forgot there's other things that's supposed to win in this box. I'll throw a pack of those in there. Most of this is never to be shot. Gonna throw a 10 pack of those in there. So 2 packs of those in there. And a pack of those. And then I did manage to find those. There's a demo of them up. And we'll throw a pack of the ETs in there. And a pack of the Browns. So the vintage or the collectible stash just grew. There's that bag in the light. See it a little better. Got the little one, the big one. Yep. Bag's got quite a ways to go before it's too full. And we're gonna add these. And these are the 60-gram from Alamo Fireworks Punishers. Penny, Whirlwind, Willow, Penny, Penny. Nice. And last, my first big high shells going in the collection. So that's them unboxed. You get 2 sleeves like this. Pull the tube out, but I think it's taped. No, it's not. Nice. Actually, I did forget a few other things. We got, that's horse brand. That's Doc Class C. Thunder. And we actually have 2 packs of those. So at some point, yeah, the one that's the most damaged, probably that one, is getting shot. And then we got some of these bigger rockets. Lucky Space Rockets. And they're 336. Not DOT, but they are horse brand. The pack was only $5. If he'd have had more, I'd have grabbed more. Yeah, I don't plan to shoot these. Lucky Space. And then just for the hell of it, I'm going to throw one of those whole packs in there. It'd be nice to open those up in 10 years and see how they compare to whatever's out then. So anyway, that's what I got from vintage and collectible odd shit, stuff like that. So, like I said before, appreciate you watching the video, and have a wonderful day.